In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage users in a DocuSign account. Fast tutorial for 2026. If you're an account admin or team lead, managing users effectively keeps your e-signature workflows secure and organized. We'll walk through signing in, opening the admin tools, viewing your user list, adding or editing a user, setting roles and permissions, and saving changes, all in a straightforward flow. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official DocuSign website. Sign in using your email address and password, and complete any two-step verification if prompted. For security, always use the official site in your browser and avoid clicking links from unknown emails. It's a good idea to bookmark the sign-in page for quick access. At the top of the DocuSign interface, select Admin. This brings you into the central hub for account and user management. If you don't see the admin option, you may need admin privileges or a plan that includes administrative features. Check with your account owner if needed. Next, choose users within the admin panel. Here, you'll see everyone associated with your account. You can scan the list or use search to quickly find a person by name or email. This view helps you confirm who has access and what status they're in. By the way, I've placed the official DocuSign website link right at the top of the video description so you can get to the correct page instantly. To make a change, select an existing user to edit their details, or choose Add User to invite someone new. When inviting, enter their name and work email carefully, since the system will send them an email to accept and finish setup. For existing users, you can update their information to keep records accurate. Now assign or adjust roles and permissions. Roles determine what someone can do, such as sending envelopes, accessing templates, viewing reports, or managing billing and settings. Follow the principle of least privilege. Give only the access they truly need to do their job. This protects your documents and keeps compliance in check. When you're done, click Save or Update to apply the changes. Edits to existing users take effect right away, and new invitations are sent immediately, so let your teammate know to watch for that email and complete their activation. That's how to manage users in a DocuSign account, using the fast tutorial for 2026. If this helped, feel free to share it with your team so everyone stays aligned. Thanks for watching.